Hi friends, welcome to this video. We are going to learn how to download the data from Scopus database. So to open the Scopus database, you can search in Google scopus.com and open the Scopus website through the www.scopus.com. I have already logged into my account using my old university email address, which is subscribed to this database. This means if you use an ordinary email address such as Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, or any email address which is not subscribed to this database, you cannot download the data. So when you open your database or you can open your account, you can see here search button, and this means that your email is subscribed and you can download the data by search, and you can click on documents, and it means you are opening your account that you can download the data from Scopus. Scopus is a comprehensive database that covers a wide range of academic disciplines, including science, technology, social science, medicine, art, and humanities. So you can get the data from here about the documents. Then you can select one of these options. For example, you can click on article title. Let me give you an example to make this clear. For example, I want to download the data about the documents which published in Scopus and use the word food security in your title. It means all the documents which are published in Scopus. It doesn't matter what type of document. It could be books, research paper, article paper, or anything that are published in a Scopus database that they use the food security in their title. Then I click search. You can see here about 15,876 documents are published in Scopus until now that they use the food security word in their title. So to download the data, I can select all, then go to export. You can see the file type. CSV file is you can download the data in table format or CSV format that you can open also in Excel sheet. The RIS format is you can use for referencing and citation. The Bibtext is you can use for bibliometrics analysis, and plain text is used. You can download the data in text format that you can open in WordPress. So I want to download the data in CSV format. I can select the CSV, then what information do you want to export? It means what information you want to download about the document. I select all and recommend you to select all in bibliometrics analysis. But if you download in CSV format, CSV is usually used for literature review, and you need the article, the abstract, and information about the articles and the paper. But I recommend you to download all the information, and here you can download the maximum number of documents is 20,000 documents in one time. So if the number of documents is more than 20,000, you cannot download all in one file. So here we have 15,876, so we can download all the documents in one time. And then we click export. Here the files will be downloaded into export file. So it takes a while to be the file to be prepared, and then you can download the file from here. So if you want to download the data in other formats, you can also use RIS format or Bibtext. So to download the data in RIS format, which is used for referencing and citation, you can select all information, then export the file. And also here you can see it takes a while to be downloaded. Then if you want to download the data in Bibtext for bibliometrics analysis, you can select all information. I recommend you to always download all the information, usually for referencing and for a bibliometrics analysis. Then it goes also to export file and it takes a while to be downloaded. And also here you can see the filters. If you want to use these filters, you can use for referencing. For example, if you want to download only the open access files, then about 6,068 files are of open access, which means you can download for free. If you want to specify the years, for example, from 2001 to 2025, then you can find all the documents during 2001 to 2025, and you can choose also or specify the author name and some other information here you can download based on your own specification. And one more thing, if you want to download or if you want to have two or more keywords, for example, you want to download the data about the food security and climate change. It means all the documents which are published in Scopus that they use the food security and the climate change. Climate change in their title. So it definitely changed the numbers. 1,059 documents are published in Scopus until now that they use the climate change and food security in their title. So if you want to add one more specification, for example, the article title about name of a country, for example, USA, or you can say Canada, then you can search how many documents are related to 8 documents are published in Scopus that they use the food security and climate change about the Canada. So, alright, if we go to the download, you can see the files are downloaded in CSV format and BIP format and plain text. This is, you can see the RIS format. This is RIS. I think this is BIP, yes, Bibtext, bibliometrics analysis, and this is plain text or text format. So we can open, you can see here is all the information about the documents we search in Scopus, and this is in text format. It open in Notepad. We can open the CSV format here. Usually the CSV format is not actually the table format, but we can use in a spreadsheet. You can see here is the CSV format. It's a question that why it's not in table format. So if you want to open the file, the CSV file in table format, you can open a worksheet, then go to the data, then go to the from text, and now select the CSV file, import, then make sure to select the delimited, then click next. We choose comma because the data will be separated by comma in CSV file, then general, and click finish. Then it takes a while that the file will be open in table format. Alright, here the data is in table format. You can see the author full name, the Article ID, these are all the documents. The title of the document you can see here. For example, this is all the titles of the documents we downloaded. This is the years of publication, 2025. Then we can go down and see all the years of the publication. Then the source title, the volume number, issue number, so the citation number, and DIO download link. And here we can see the abstract. Usually you can use the abstract for literature review. You can wrap the text and see all the complete abstract here. And this is abstract for the second file. And now we have all the files, and we downloaded in all formats: CSV format, Bibtext, and RIS format. And in the next video, I'm excited to show you how to analyze the bibliometrics data using R language and BiblioShiny. And also in the next videos, I will show you how to use the RIS data for referencing, usually using Mendeley for referencing. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great time.